All right, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? So Bitcoin is crashing. It is crashing hard, and yep, this is what we expected. So we're gonna have a live stream real quick. I'm gonna go over my thoughts, see if we're done. Try to look for some signs, yada yada yada. So let's see where we're at. Yeah. All right. So, you guys, as I was saying on the chat, we've been expecting this down for a while. Like, there's not been any sort of surprise to this. If you guys have been watching what I've been going over step by step, I tell you guys step by step what's going to happen. And this is like perfect. This is textbook, exactly what I was expecting. So, we have the downtrend right here. We had the retracement, and now we're having the next leg down. So, let's go to a lower time frame and look what we're looking at. So, yeah, this is our first impulse, corrective structure. And this should be our C wave down, more than likely. So this was a corrective channel. We went up in a corrective manner. We fell through, fell through, fell through. Now, we have this liquidity has been tapped. This liquidity has been tapped. I really, 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 really want this one to get tapped. I don't know if we're going to get it. We're already having a pretty healthy buyback. So, yeah, I don't really know at this point. If you're in the chat, go ahead and give me a holler, give me a, you're alive. Show me that you are still here and you're not like, losing your shit right now. So it's okay, guys. If you have been watching what I've been going over for the last few days, like this should not have been a surprise to you at all. All right. Like I have given so much warning on this. So, did I lose money as well? Yeah, I absolutely did because I have a lot of long-term positions. So I knew it was coming. I've been saying it for quite a few days now. So nothing really, really surprising. Let's go to the Facebook. Let's show you guys what we've been looking at. Yep, so it's going as planned. Oh, I'm going to show you this real quick. Let's go over to the technical chart, total 2. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. I drew this right here. I said it's going to continue going up, crash back down, hit this break, continuation up. Like, dude, y'all, do you not see this? Like, this is incredible. Like, this is so easy of a play for us. So, obviously, it's going really well. This is exactly what I was expecting, honestly. So, it went a little bit higher than I was expecting, but I did expect some sort of retracement in here. Now, the big question is, are we done? I don't know, right? I don't know. This is a 4-hour breaker. We have another 4-hour breaker right here, this entire cluster. Could we come down here and tap in here? Yes, nothing against that one bit. Go to the daily chart, see if we've got anything else. Oh, this is actually a daily level. I bet this is going to have some serious support. I think this is going to be it for us on the total 2 chart, guys. Yeah, this is a really good sign. Bitcoin dominance, told you guys, our alts hate volatility. Volatility is really bad for alts. And as you guys saw during that volatility, Bitcoin shot up in Bitcoin dominance. So if you guys have questions, whatever, let me know. I'm just gonna go on here and just go through what my thoughts are. Let's see what else. Lots of liquidity. Yeah, look at this. Testing the bottom of the channel. I don't expect it to hold. Let's see. Oh, right here. Look at this. In the next 72 hours, Bitcoin is going to crash the market or explode upwardly. So that does. I don't know which one it is. I don't know. Yada, 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 right? Like, within 72 hours. I posted that 7 hours ago. Like, come on, guys. Insane. Freaking insane. So we did have this close. I'm going to show you guys real quick what I was looking at. On this, we had a 4-hour close that was really bullish. And this is it right here. So this was a very bullish candle, right? Just gorgeous. And when you combine it with this candle, those are some really bullish indicators. And so this is called a tweezer candle to the downside. That means that the bulls or the bears pushed down, got rejected, pushed down again, got rejected again. Those 2 candles combined should have given quite a bit of strength to push the market up. But if you go to a low time frame, you can see like it wasn't enough. It really was not enough. So it pushed it down, back up, and just collapsed. This was the sign that this is about to just utterly collapse and fall on its face, and it has so far. So let's see what levels we've hit so far. See if we have a good case that this thing is over. I don't think it was that. I think it was a daily. I don't know what level this was. I'm not entirely sure, honestly. Was it a 12-hour? 12 hour, 2 hour. I don't know what level this was. Regardless, though, obviously it's working out pretty well. So whatever my thought process, I think it's a 6 hour, but it happened way over here. That's what it was. 6 hour? Maybe. Nope, don't know. All right, well, regardless, whatever reasoning I had for making this position here, which I'm sure I had a thought process when I did it, it obviously held up pretty well so far. So what I want to see, it's 3:17 p.m. Central Time. The daily close happens at 7 p.m. We need to get some buyback in this sucker pretty damn quickly by 7 o'clock, and should at least reclaim, definitely hold this level, preferably hold one of these levels as well, because that's a daily, if I remember correctly. It's not, it's a 4 hour. Ugh. Let's see, this is the daily. No, it's not a daily. What are these levels? Maybe I'll go to this chart. Maybe a little easier. All right, this is the daily. So I want this level to hold. I want it to get back above here by 7 p.m. If it gets back above this level, if we close anywhere around 56,000, I'll be really happy with that. Right now, at the current 54,000, that looks really, really weak. So we'll see what happens. I really do want this level to get tapped. That would have been really, really nice. So we only got that. We got these two levels right there tapped, which are quite a bit of liquidity. That is really, really good for us. Let's see what else we're looking at. What else? Yep, right here. Look, lots of coins look really, really good. We use caution because Bitcoin is a very precarious spot, and this could be a massive rug pull like what happened mid-April. There we go. Guys, holy shit. Wow. All right. Let's see what else. All right, let's go to some of our big coins to see how they're handling this drop. XLM's still doing okay. However, here's the key. This is our level I want a daily close above. We had it, and now we've lost it. So on the daily level, we are now back below these major levels right here. We really need to get back above here. I want to see above there, or that's a really ugly candle. It could be a very harsh rejection. So I want this to close above this blue line in 3 hours and 41 minutes. It's really, really important. If we don't get that, that's not good. I told you guys earlier today, this weekly breaker is going to provide resistance. It got above it, but this is a weekly breaker. So what do we need to confirm it as a reclaimed level? A weekly close. We are not getting our weekly close for 6 more days. So this has not been reclaimed. This is a harsh rejection right now. So because we have this rejection, I expect some sort of ranging in this region until we gather strength to get back above it. So this is actually a very bearish candle right now. We need to get it back above here in the next 6 days to reclaim it. I did actually sell some Ethereum up here and actually traded it for EOS. I'll tell you right now, I did not get the best entry on EOS. It is what it is, guys. But regardless, though, I'm still happy with my EOS position. But yeah, comp BTC, this is what I was expecting. Come down here. Ooh, comp's holding up really well, actually. I do like this. Get that on a low time frame. Yeah, it's holding up pretty well. These levels are actually holding up pretty damn well. I'm pretty happy with this. So comp looks pretty good. Litecoin, how are we doing? Still in the breaker. This is a weekly level. So that's going to cause so this is a weekly level inside here, and it's a monthly level on the outside. So it's going to take an entire month close to get above this entire level, and a week close, which, did we get that? No, we did not. We closed inside of this candle. We did not actually close above it. So this is being contested right now, but we actually haven't got a close. We did get above this block right here, which is a little bit bullish. Litecoin looks pretty good. I don't know yet. Okay, H bar has come back and retested this level, which was a 3-day level, I think. 3-day, there it is. Wait, no. Yeah, point of breakdown right there. I think that was the level I'm looking at. So yeah, it's come back in there and now it's going back above it. Very healthy spot to be buying H-bar. That's a very healthy spot. Oh my God. If I wasn't already so loaded up on this damn coin, I'd be adding more here. XRP, we went below this massive consolidation. Now we're back inside of it. That's very, very massive drop, but we've had a really good recovery so far. I do like that. How is EOS doing? Let's look at this sucker. Yeah, I did not get the best entry. That being said, I'm still okay with this. All right, this is a weekly breaker we got above. And we closed above it, which means it is now support. And as you can see, it has held us as support right now. If you want to get into EOS, perfect time. Perfect time. I love it. Like, this is absolutely a perfect time to get into EOS. Ethereum Classic is ranging. It held up pretty damn well in this drop, didn't it? Yes, it did. This still looks very healthy. I think Ethereum Classic looks good. We already talked about this. I think it obviously rejected off there. That being said, this is a pretty healthy candle right now, guys. Like, there's a lot of strength in this market. Litecoin, same thing. It's bouncing off this 4-hour block. Raven, I think, collapsed. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. We did collapse on Raven, but this is really bullish. What level is this? Is this a monthly? Is this a yearly? No way. What level is this? Weekly, maybe? Yes. Such a weird level. I don't know why I marked it off like that. All right, either way, that level is... Okay, so we got above this level. We got below this level. We got below this level. We went below it, swept both of this. So this is already swept because of here, this right here. But we swept this one, and now we're hopefully continuing up. So if we don't go any lower on Raven, this is actually a pretty damn good spot right now to be buying because that's a solid sweep, and it did come back above it. There's a sweep right there, which was swept. So this level was swept, this level was swept, this level was swept, this level was swept. Okay, Raven looks really good right now. I like that. What else? If you're in the chat, give me a holler, guys. Like, make sure you let me know y'all are still alive and not, you know, struggling right now. Bitcoin Cash. Below the point of breakdown, which isn't the strongest thing, but it's holding it. I'm okay with this. I really want to see this level held. Yeah, I really want to see this level held. If it closed above this level, I'll be pretty damn happy with this. So basically what I'm going at here, the market, the alt market looks healthy. It looks very healthy right now. I'm super bullish on alts. I know it's a lot of red, and trust me, my portfolio is struggling right now. That being said, I am completely okay with where I'm at right now. I think I got some really good positions. I think that a lot of these really important levels did get hit. Yeah, I'm really happy with where it's at right now. I would love to have seen this get swept. It didn't get swept. But I'm pretty damn happy with this. I really want to see it back above 56,400 by the end of the day. So we have like 4 hours. I think it's very reasonable to get to. Went to this breaker, back above it. Fuck, guys, this looks good. All right, I'm probably going to go ahead and end this video. Just understand, I don't hate it. I don't hate any of this. I think this all looks very healthy. So... yeah, I'm just as bullish as ever. Total 2 went right down into our spot and bounced up, which is exactly what we're looking for. You see continuation upward. Like, gorgeous. Okay, it's reversing. That means that the money flew into Bitcoin, and because all those alts got liquidated, that means all the funding got reset, all the liquidations happened. But if you're still here, that means you are... like, all that liquidations happened. That means now you have a healthy price action. Now you can continue on our moon mission. Yep, I'm bullish. I'm super bullish right now. This is amazing. I'm really happy. Yeah, like, this looks awesome. So I think the bottom's in. If it's not in, I think that we don't have that much room to go. I think maybe Bitcoin might just grind down some more. But I think that our alts are in a really good spot to start continuing back up. I think our alts are basically done. I think our alts are gonna rocket from here. I think that Bitcoin might keep collapsing, but some of the alts look really good, especially on the BTC pairing. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. If you have any questions, like always, let me know. And I'm going to let you all go. Have a good one.